In the mining industry, everything is beveled. Digger buckets, K-bevels, complex bevels all over them. It's all made out of hard plate, it's all large scale, it's all heavy. Wear plate by nature is designed to not be cut, bent, machined. It'll smash your tooling, it resists everything you throw at it. Plasma cutting is great for wear plate because the superheated plasma stream will vaporise it. It doesn't care that it's really hard, it's not hard when it's liquid. So on Plazmax machines, we cut the part, we bevel the part, you pull it off, it's ready to go. The alternative is cutting the part, removing it, setting it up for further processing, and that could be machined bevels, it could be gas cut bevels, it could be ground bevels. Machining is expensive, gas cutting and grinding is labour intensive, it's a dangerous process. If you're coming back for a secondary operation, you're burning money basically. Consistency and accuracy are also compromised. Humans aren't good at continuously doing accurate bevels. If you don't have continuous, smooth, even bevels, when you're fabricating the part, you're going to have variation as your filler wires going in when you're welding. So consistency around the finished beveled part is really important. Plazmax really stands out in the mining industry with our ability to cut complex holes that others can't. We do plough bolts, we do countersinks, we do trommel screens, we do complex K-bevels with digger buckets, bevel complex shapes including non-tangent geometries. It ends up with a nice finish, it's extremely cost effective to cut, it's a great way to do it. The difference between Plazmax and everyone else is our motion engine allows us to get around difficult geometries without drive errors or having the machine trip out for various reasons. You've got your big high tensile plate assemblies, so a mining bucket for example, the whole thing is made out of profiles and every intersection of those plates typically gets a weld prep. The best way to cut those parts is to plasma cut them and bevel them all in one operation. Then you look at other applications, you've got trommel screens for example, you can have thousands upon thousands of slots in big grade 500 wear plates that have to have a relief on the back to let the product out after it's crushed. If you were to machine those, one, you can't find a machining centre big enough, and two, the time taken, it would not be practical. We can cut them, rotating the head, really small radiuses, really accurate slots, and come out and end up with a relieved slot times thousands done quickly. You really can't do it any other quicker way. Well, Plazmax machines are fast. Typical industry standard is around 20 metres a minute. We do 45. We've put a ton of effort into high accuracy acceleration, ability to stop quickly, complex and compliant safety systems, high speed height sensing using a laser to find the plate, bunny hopping between profiles. We've optimised every step to do as much cutting as possible. All the times we're not cutting, we're finding a way to do it quicker. When you're profile cutting a large complex shape out of expensive material, it needs to be right the first time. Plazmax machines are designed to profile, countersink, cut plough bolts, do weld preps. It does it all in one, it does it right the first time, and it's weld ready when they come off the machine. We have Australian-based sales, support, spare parts and consumables. Plazmax is committed to the success of our customers, and we love it when we see the great return on investment they get from their machines. So with Max Control, our advanced taper correction, laser height sensing and local Australian support, we're here to keep your business moving.